In this video, I will show you how to make a sale on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over in here on your discounts option on your left sidebar. So if you want to run a sale to your website, what you can do is you can click on this rate discount and just choose the kind of sale you want. So for example, you want an amount of order or amount of products, you can choose which one is actually applied to you. So for this one, let's choose this amount of products. And then in here, since we are running a sale, it is actually more efficient to use this automatic discount instead of the discount code. This because it will save time and the customer will already be able to get this particular discount automatically without ever needing a code. So let's actually title it 10% off. And then let's put in here the discount value. It can be on percentage or a fixed amount. For this one, let's put percentage and let's put in here 10%. And then this can apply to specific collection or specific products. So for me, I'll apply this to my products that I have. So I'll apply this to this earbuds as well as this another earbuds that I have. You click on add, and as you can see, they'll be added right that. Now the availability right here, this discount can automatically be applied to all sales channel, and it can also be offered on point of sale. So you can have in here the minimum purchase requirement. So for example, right here, let's put in here a purchase requirement of 100. And then you can also put in here combinations. Like for example, it can be combined with shipping discounts or discounts and once more. You can put in here the start date, and you can also set here and here an end date. So right now I will start it at May 8th and I will end it at around May 15. So it will be a 1-week sale. After that, click on save discount and then your discount will be saved. So you can see in here the summary of what this discount will look like as well as the performance that it will entail. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe. This helps reach more people. See you soon.